Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am bringing you guys, as from the title you guys can tell, a video on shaving your face. So to begin with, if you guys are new, then welcome to my channel. I am Saba and I put up fashion and beauty videos every week. And if you guys are returning subscribers, then thank you so much for your continued support, and I cannot thank you guys enough. And let's just dive into the video. So today's video is all about shaving. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I tend to shave my face, why I shave my face, and it's a big topic amongst a lot of women. Like, they don't tend to agree on the fact that you should shave your face, and so I just wanted to explain and just put it out there of why I do it, why so many of us have started doing it, the reason behind it, the science behind it, and the myth that we actually tend to believe. So I was never the sort of person who used to shave her face. Yes, I was so scared, even when the laser actually came out, and so even when the laser actually came out and I was supposed to shave my face and go and get my laser done, it was such a big hoo-ha. I really was so scared because I had a feeling I'm just going to look like a chicken, my hair is going to grow back thick and whatnot. So the first time when I did it, that's when I actually started becoming comfortable, and I obviously shaved it with like normal disposable razor at that time. So from that point onwards, every time obviously when you laser, you have to shave your face and then go, because you know it targets the follicle and you can't wax. So that kind of became a norm. And then on internet I started coming across videos for people doing dermaplaning, and that kind of like opened my eyes. That was people going in for treatments, and that treatment basically people going in for treatment basically getting the face shaved to get rid of peach fuzz. Now the plus point there was that it was something that would get rid of the dead skin cells as well. So then on internet I looked up, and you get razors like that, and you need for dermaplaning or shaving your face at home, you would need a razor like that. You cannot be using a razor like that, because I'm not sure what the reason is, but in terms of getting the dead skin cells off, this one is the one that would work. So I am going to start off, I'm just going to show you guys how I shave my face, and I have washed my face already because it's around like 1 o'clock right now. So I woke up and washed my face, so I have got no product on my face at this moment, and I'm not going to apply it. But a lot of people online I've seen, they do apply oils or whatever you feel is comfortable for you, and I'm not even a professional person, so do not take my word. That's how I do my face, and it works best for me. I tend to do it about every like twice a month, maybe. Yeah, sometimes twice a month, sometimes once a month. It just depends. Whenever I see hair kind of like peach fuzz growing back or like uneven skin, that's when I start to just sit down and I do it, and it's kind of part of my routine. So we're gonna begin. I'm just gonna get my mirror right in front of me, and then you guys can see how I do it. And also, do not mind my brows. Every time I come in for a tutorial, I've already got them done, like filled them in and stuff, so you guys can't tell, but I'm trying to kind of like grow it out, and I'm just gonna do them nearer to our Eid, which is the festival that's gonna come up. Or like, I don't tend to do my brows very often. I do it like once or twice once every 2 months actually now, or once a month. So that's why they're kind of like out of control at the moment, but don't worry about that. So I can already see that I have quite a bit of hair going on. I'm just going to try and come closer. If you guys, I mean, I don't think you guys would be able to see exactly the hair that's coming off, but we'll just give it a go. So I just push my skin up, my side buns, I push that up as well, and then I use my razor in an angle like this, and you just basically just push it down like that. Now let's see how much peach fuzz I've got. I don't know if you can you see? Probably not, because the hair is really like fine, so I don't think, yeah, the hair is really fine. I don't think you guys would be able to tell. Let me just put the lighting down and maybe then you can see. Let's try again. Yeah. So yeah, that's the hair just from that little part. Now we're going to carry on. You have to remember that you basically just need to push your skin tightly. So I can definitely see dead skin along with peach fuzz. So it's a great way. I mean, if my hair was to grow back thick, it would have grown back thick by now. I've been doing it for a very long time at this point, and you know, nothing grows back thick. Whereas, you know, for so many years I actually believed in that myth that my hair is gonna grow back thick if I was to shave it, and I was so scared to do it. But now I'm not. I just literally, I don't even think twice about it, and I just shave my face because it makes the application of my makeup so smooth. You guys have to try it because it makes your face glowy, your skin brightens, and on top of that, your makeup application is super smooth. It glides on. There's no like sticking to the hair, no foundation sticks to the hair and stuff like that. Around your eyes, like I've always have got hair around this side, so you have to pull it tightly. And if I leave this bit of hair, that highlighter, when I put highlighter on, it really sticks to it and it doesn't look nice. So I have to always do this bit as well. So I do tend to go in around my forehead, do my hairline, wherever you feel, you know, that it needs to be done. And so this side of my face is done, nearly. So from my neck, basically everything that came out was my dead skin. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but because it's such a light color, there wasn't any hair on my neck. So mostly it was just my dead skin. So that part of my face is done, I've obviously tried to avoid the spots on my face. Once that's done, I'm just going to quickly do that and then I'll be right back. So I've finished doing that. I'm just going to go in with any moisturizer. Today I'm using my Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, and that's just water based, so it doesn't leave any like oiliness behind. And I can already tell the difference in my skin tone. It is very much brighter. Obviously I do have my spots which don't want to go away, but other than that it's all good. So that's how I shave my face, and I personally think anybody that's doing makeup and you know wants like a good application of makeup should opt for this razor and start removing peach fuzz. You will see such a huge difference in your skin. Do not be scared. I've had a lot of discussions with my friends, and you know, a lot of them obviously they are okay with it, yet a lot of them are not okay. It all depends on your thinking, how you think and what you believe, and the whole thing of the hair growing back thick is just a myth. It's nothing else. It's just the angle obviously it cuts at, but nobody that I know that shaves has had thick hair or manly hair growing back from their skin. It's just really good to do this, and you know, you can always after shaving apply maybe some ice on your skin to kind of like, you know, close the pores, and you will see a huge difference yourself in your skin and makeup application. So that's about it. We'll conclude the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the notification bell button so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video on this channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.